Welcome to Beautyistic. If you're someone who loves a fresh, natural glow with a touch of subtle color, you might just want to pay attention to what we're talking about today. We're diving into the Pure Blushing Act Skin Perfecting Powder in the shade Pretty in Peach. This pressed powder promises a satin matte finish with buildable coverage, making it an ideal choice for anyone looking to add a soft, radiant touch to their complexion. So, what makes this product stand out in the sea of blushes and powders? Let's break it down. The Pure Blushing Act Skin Perfecting Powder is designed to give you a soft, satin matte finish, offering full coverage without that heavy, cakey look. With its buildable formula, it lets you customize the intensity, whether you're looking for a soft blush or a more noticeable pop of color. The peach shade, Pretty in Peach, has that warm, slightly golden undertone that can complement a wide variety of skin tones. Whether you have fair or deeper skin, it's a versatile hue that can really enhance your natural beauty. In terms of ingredients, this product is cruelty-free, which is always a win in my book. It's made to feel lightweight on the skin, so you're not going to feel like you're wearing a ton of makeup. It glides on smoothly, providing that silky soft finish that doesn't highlight any imperfections or fine lines. Now, let's talk about real-world usage. I've been using this product for about a week, and one thing I can confidently say is that it blends beautifully into the skin. I applied it both over foundation and on bare skin, and both times it delivered an effortlessly natural look. The buildable coverage means that if I want a little more color in the evening, I can layer it without worrying about it getting too thick or patchy. A key point to mention is that it lasts pretty well throughout the day, but you might find yourself doing a little touch-up after a few hours, especially if you're out in warm or humid weather. I didn't notice it fading too quickly, but it's not the kind of blush that'll stay perfectly in place for 12 hours. But for the price point, it holds up decently. The texture is smooth, almost creamy, which makes the application easy. I used both a brush and my fingers to apply it, and it blended seamlessly with both tools. If I had to point out a downside, it would be the packaging. It's compact, but I wish it came with a mirror for on-the-go touch-ups. The powder itself is pressed nicely, so there's minimal fallout, which is a bonus. In terms of value for money, I think it's reasonably priced. Considering the quality and the fact that it's cruelty-free, it provides good value without being over-the-top expensive. There are some higher-end blushes out there, but if you're looking for something that performs well and feels luxurious without breaking the bank, this is a solid choice. If you're wondering how it compares to other blush powders on the market, there are a few options at similar price points that provide comparable results. However, what sets the Pure Blushing Act powder apart is its satin matte finish and buildable coverage, which makes it ideal for both beginners and makeup enthusiasts. As for build quality, the packaging is sturdy and portable, though I did wish it had a mirror inside. The powder itself feels durable, and it didn't show signs of cracking or crumbling even after a week of use. It seems to have a decent shelf life too, as there's no sign of it drying out or losing pigment over time. Now, I haven't had any direct interaction with Pure Cosmetics customer service, but based on their brand reputation, they're known for being responsive and helpful, which is always reassuring when buying beauty products. If you're not totally convinced by the Pure Blushing Act powder and its price, there are some alternative blushes on the market, like those from Milani or Maybelline, that might fit your budget while still delivering similar results in terms of texture and finish. So, is this blush worth it? Overall, the Pure Blushing Act Skin Perfecting Powder is a great option if you're looking for a versatile, buildable blush with a satin matte finish. It's a product that works well for various skin types and tones, offering a soft, radiant look that's easy to wear every day. If you think this review helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so you can stay updated on all our future reviews. Your support helps us continue creating honest content for beauty lovers just like you. Thanks for watching. If you've used this product, drop a comment below and share your thoughts. And until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.